These are the elevators in an apartment building in the North Hills of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Pittsburgh Armor Turnbull Elevators. Five. Check out. It has square armor fixtures. Pretty neat. Five. Back down the lobby. 411 is like worn out, but they also have the cursive font that are similar to some of these other Pittsburgh armors. These are hydro, it might not be obvious. Fans covering the it's a basic 60s finger grain cab. Lantern doesn't work. This was installed in 1966. Back to the lobby. That clipping's not realized. That clipping over there is realized. That's the laundry. You're closing out some of the